Hi Devin, I wanted to make a quick video to demonstrate to you how the Format Painter works. So what you see here is a PowerPoint that I have created. And so let's say that I wanted to change the title here. All right, so I tend to like to select the outside so that way I don't have to click and drag. Notice when I do click and drag, that box, they call that a text placeholder, it becomes a broken line. But if I just click on it, I've also selected the entire placeholder. So in any event, I've selected that, and let's pretend that I want to make this bold, and we'll italicize this. But I also want to make all of my other headings in my presentation the same thing. So with that selected, I'm going to come over to my Format Painter. I'm going to click it one time. Clicking it one time allows me to apply it one time. So I can click on the next slide. And then when I come over here, I wait for that paintbrush to appear. And I just click once, and it applies that paint. Now if I'm going to apply this on multiple times, I'm going to come back over. Again, I'm going to select the placeholder. I'm going to double click it, and now it's like an on-off switch. So it's going to paint for as much as whatever I paint over or hover over and click for every time. And then when I'm done, I go ahead and turn it off. So if I scroll on down and I see this particular slide here, I'm going to come here and I click once here. I'll go to my next step, my next slide, and I'll click that. Go to my final slide, click that. All right, so it's getting that format of where it came from. I don't actually like that one. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. I'm going to undo. Okay, so I hope this quick video helped to better explain to you how the Format Painter works.